Hey you guys, today is just like it's a calm, productive day, to be honest. I have had a late-ish start to the day because I came a bit late last night, but it's okay. I'm planning on like studying. I have this peer assessment thing that I need to do, and yeah, that's basically it. Like, studying is my main thing for all my days like recently. And yeah, and then also I have to like not have to, but like I want to jump rope later, so I might take you guys along with me through that. I have been like trying to get back into jump roping. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know that jump roping is my thing, but I hadn't like done it in a while, so I'm trying to get back into it. And so yeah, I'll just take you guys along the day with me through all my different tasks, and we'll see what else goes on. You guys, I am still doing peer assessments. It's now 4:03 p.m. and I am still like, I've been doing this since 2 something. Like, that is not okay. Like, I've been saying, oh, let me finish this and then I'll take a lunch break. It's 4 p.m. Somebody tell me why. Actually so annoyed. Okay, let me actually explain. Peer assessments, basically, if you don't know, I don't know if it's everywhere, but if you work in a team and obviously the like professors don't know how things were, they can't give you the same mark and stuff, so there's like a separate individual mark that's like calculated from these peer assessments that we make for each other and like the team project and stuff. And so I was in a team of 9 people. I was in a team of 9 people, which was really good when we were doing the project, but now I'm writing 8 peer assessments, which is supposed to be between 100 and 500 words. And so when they say that you want to keep it at around 300, I'm struggling. I'm actually struggling. I've done, let me see how many I've done so far. Done 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. What? I thought I I'd done more. I thought I had done more, but I've done 4 out of 8, and yeah, it's a bit scary. The deadline is in 55 minutes. It's at 5 p.m. and it's currently 4:05. So yeah, I just came to complain because why? It's just pure assessments. But it's cool. I've done all the ones where I have a lot to say, and then the other ones I don't have much, so it shouldn't take me, I say 25 minutes, but who knows at this point? Who really knows? 5:01 p.m. I literally did the peer assessment until 5 o'clock. Why? You know what? I feel like it's also me being extra, but yeah, you know, we'll see how it goes. I just finished with that and I'm finally gonna eat lunch. I don't even know if I should call it lunch at this point. Like, yeah, but I'm just gonna eat and then go and jump rope because it's practically, I say practically, but the sun's gonna set really late, but it's like kind of end of day because it's 5 p.m. So I'm just gonna find something to eat and chill for probably like an hour even, because I haven't chilled since I started working. Then I'm gonna get ready to go and jump a rope because that's my thing and that makes me happy. And yeah, call it a day. My lips are so dry. So I made myself a pita bread and it's got chicken inside and vegetables, and I added also mayonnaise just to sauce it up, and then I have like this carrot cake on the side because why not. But yeah, I'm gonna munch away. I am so hungry. And I'm gonna like just watch YouTube because I do love watching YouTube, you guys. Comment down below who I should like watch on YouTube. Like, who are your other fave YouTubers besides me? Comment down who your fave YouTubers are, like people you want to put me on. I'll put you guys on a few. Let's see. There's this girl from Nigeria called Marintia Eko. She's like no, did I say Nigeria? Ghana. She's Ghanaian Japanese. So yeah, she also has like interesting content. There's Aliyah Simone. She's American. She does vlog called Viola Naniso. She's Zimbabwean as well, so that's fun. I'm actually, you guys, I'm hungry and I keep talking. I'm actually a fan of like small YouTubers. I literally like supporting, because before I started my channel I got so tired of the mainstream YouTubers and I started looking for small ones. So those small YouTubers that I've been watching have grown, and every time like new YouTubers are like starting and I see their channel, I'm like there. So you know, anyway, you guys, I feel like it's the hunger speaking at this point. Let me eat and then I'll get back to you guys because yeah, I am starving. This is so good. What are we gonna watch?
A few moments later.
Guys, as you guys can see, I'm all ready to jump rope. I'm actually gonna wear a jacket though because it's cold. It's 12 degrees outside. I have my water and my jump rope, and so we can head downstairs. I'm gonna be jumping in the garage area.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking apart my walls. And baby, let's settle up, cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to turn. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, simmer. Comfort queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this package is too tight, ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that, ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes desserts are best when last. Or your daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, baby, oh. One shoe if I can get enough. Spill twice, never wipe it up. Off the brakes and let these walls start. Sip fast if you're feeling enough. 10 spins to your own job. Exciting with the sweetest cup. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
So you guys, I just finished showering and I just remembered that I have these Amazon packages that I haven't unboxed. I got these yesterday when I left, so yeah, just thought I'd unbox them with you guys. Let's have a cute little unboxing moment. So I have 3 packages, you guys. Start with the small ones. Oh yeah, of course. I ordered this white nail polish because my nails, you guys, my nails are in need of help. Like, I'm not even gonna bring them close, but yeah. So I got this nail polish by Rimmel. I'll link the stuff from actually, I'll see if you guys want me to link the stuff. I'll link them, but it's not much. What is this? And then I got chocolate, just because this one time I just this was, I'm not gonna call it an impulsive midnight buy, but it was kind of one of those moments. So I got myself chocolate because I just wanted something sweet. Wait, there's one thing that I ordered that's not here. Maybe it came today, I'm gonna check. But I got this matcha green tea latte. Decided to get this because I just feel like those kind of vibes, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I got this one. I guess I will link it in the description in case you guys do care. And then I got myself a dark chocolate. Fun little fact about me, after I finish eating, I always feel like I need to have something sweet. And I saw someone say that like dark chocolate is a good, like healthier substitute of like a sweet thing after you eat. So yeah, I got this dark chocolate from Lindt. It was like, I think £1. And I got these sweets. Again, I was feeling like something sweet and I went a bit ham, and yeah, I got this. They just remind me of like when I was a child, and I really like them. So yeah. And finally, the one thing that I was actually most excited about and expecting is not here. Like, I got this book. I'm gonna quickly go and check actually.
Few inches later.
Just checked the delivery notification and stuff, and apparently it was left in the letterbox, and like no one uses the letterbox for packages like ever. And so I'm probably gonna just like try and find the keys for that and see if I can get it, because I'm so excited to read the book. I'll tell you guys more about it when I get it, but for now let me try and find these keys and see if I can go and get the book. So annoyed, you guys. I did not find it. I found a bunch of old letters there for this apartment, and yeah, I guess we're gonna have to follow up on that. It definitely says it was delivered into my mail, so yeah, we'll see about that. But yeah, I think that's the end of today. I'm just gonna start like editing a video for the Sunday. That's going to be the last few days of uni, last last day of second year. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but yeah, that's the one I'm gonna start editing, and I'm gonna start editing this one as well. But yeah, I'll update you guys on my book because it's actually quite annoying. I rarely read, and this year was my year to read, and I haven't been doing so well. So when I finally got this book, or saw this book, and I read the sample, funny enough, on Amazon, and I was like, on Amazon Prime. Wait, what is it called? On Amazon Kindle, sorry. And so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy it with money. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. I'll catch you guys when I catch you guys.
Eventually.
So you guys, I finally found the package. Today is Sunday evening. It's literally so late at night, but it's Sunday evening and I finally got my package. Apparently it was delivered to the wrong address. Tell me why it took 2-3 days to get to me. But yeah, I got my package and I just decided, let me open it with you guys. Yay! So this is the book that I got, and I've been trying to get into reading, and I've tried non-fictional like self-help books, and I feel like I kind of got bored. I got bored by them, so I decided to look for something that's more just story vibes. And yeah, I got my book and I'm so excited. I'll tell you guys what I think about it after a while. I basically only got it because I was watching this YouTuber and they were just saying how Colleen Hoover is a really good author, and they were reading this book, so I was like, why not? But yeah, it's literally so late at night, so yeah, we got it.